Well, hello there, YouTube. You guys ready for this? My first ride on a Ryker. Park brake off, and all you do is give it gas. And the door shut. Would you grab that door first? Thanks, Kurt. Oh, man. Oh, my camera's not too low for this thing. That's going to be really low because of just how it sits on my helmet. Alright. Try to keep the wind noise to a minimum here. Oh man, it goes. Oh, that's just barely on the throttle. So we don't have the body panels. We got a huge pallet, but it's for a display. So I got something buzzing here. I don't know where it's at. It's probably because the body parts aren't fully tight on there, because the panels actually are holding some of this together. That's what it sounds like too. It's one of these things buzzing. Oh man, the engagement of the clutching is just magically smooth. Oh, this is wonderful. Oh man, this is so cool. Oh man, you're talking about something that just makes you smile. Oh, that's so cool. That's just barely on the throttle. Oh, she's a goer. Oh, this thing is incredible. Oh man, how smooth it. That's crazy. Man. The power to weight ratio's just gotta be phenomenal. Wow, this thing is cool. Oh my lord, this thing is cool. Whoa. Let's do ourselves a little walkie round here. Wow, this thing is epic. Park brake is a physical lever. It's nothing electronic. It locks itself in. Listen how cool that triple sounds. Oh, look at that thing. Look at that beauty. Just think what it's going to look like when we get some panels on it. Crazy, crazy cool. I mean, amazingly cool. Is that epically cool or what? And you know, there's a little card here, you know, like all Spyders, that says read the safety card. Just a quick disconnect. There's your safety card. There's all your tire pressure information. There's your oil fill. There's your air filter. And should you need to use like a jerry can or something like that to put gas in it, because it's the new style automotive door style, you stick that in there and you can use a can. And I would imagine you could probably use it to as a funnel to fill your oil too. But that's where the gas cap's at, is right there. Easy access to everything, quick and easy peasy. And of course, this all this stuff here will have color panels and stuff on it. It's all out in the open. You'll see on the other side, you know, it's got cables and stuff running through there. And this thing clicks off, and you got access to your battery and coolant reservoir. Single lug wheels, Formula 1 style. This is the 900cc triple engine, and it's a CVT transmission, and it is glass smooth. Man, does it work well. Really, really well. Look at that thing. It's gonna shut itself off, and it's got a feature where it powers itself down if you let it idle without touching the throttle. Is that cool or what? The pegs, no tools required. You lift the peg up and it'll go all the way back to here. So you have all that. Everything's all the way forward now. Actually, the steering's not all the way forward. It's the same deal. You lift a lever, adjust it where you want it, and lock her down. And if you leave the thing sitting, it just powers itself down. That thing is incredible. Man, is that thing cool. So I'll show you some tricks here. Let's just power it all the way down. Okay, it did already. So it uses, you know, a snowmobile side-by-side ATV type chipped key, and it just pops onto a nub. Pop that on. I'll just take you through the cycle here. Pardon my sniffly nose here. But anyway, here's your on off. So to wake it up, you just give it a light press, and you see it boots up, and you get the typical Spyder. They're not calling this a Spyder. It's a Roadster, but they're calling it the Roadster Ryker instead of a Roadster Spyder. But it tells you, you know, you need to hit the mode button to kick that out. It's a warning telling you to read the safety thing. So, where's the mode button? Any of you Harley owners, you'll love this. Here's your mode button. She's ready to go. So it has a switch by forward pushing on the throttle, like turning your you know, that idle thing that Harleys have. Anyway, let's continue with our little rip here. All right, we'll be right back. Holy moly, what an attention getter! I'll never get this vlog done. Anyway, I'm gonna leave you guys for a second because I kind of promised the daily vlog side I would take this thing for a ride today at the end of the vlog yesterday. So let me take them for a little spin, and I'll pop back on with you guys here in just a second, okay? So it won't be here, I'll be somewhere else. All right. That's where I was sitting down there. I just went down there and did a little loop. I got to give the daily vlog side a little love, especially since I told them that's where I was gonna ride this thing. I realized it's gonna take more time than I can put in my daily vlog. I have to get some gas in this thing. We got a really cool little mini shield, you know, those little fly screen kind of a things that fits on this thing. Whoa. I don't know when the traction control kicks in. It'll just keep burning until your tire's gone, I think. Wow, this thing's cool. That is so cool. I can't get over how insanely, you know what? Nah, I'll do it anyway. I gotta avoid a water hole down here, though. Surprising how little throttle you gotta give it to really fly. I mean, you don't have to give it any throttle. You just reach a slight little point, and the clutch just takes over, and woof, off you go. And you can hear the engine is not like revving, it's just the clutch is doing its job, and ooh, oh god, it's so nice. Kelly's gonna love when she rides one of these things. Oh, we'll be buying one of these, I'm telling you right now. There's gonna be no escaping this. Yeah, so there's a lot of water over here. I'm gonna get the new ride. Oh, look at that, that's green. Boom, tire grab. Well, here goes 3 minutes. I might as well just stop the cam and I'll be right back. The people that run that those red lights just amaze me. I gotta use a turn signal, couldn't I have? Wow, this is thing cool. I'm gonna go upstairs and put some gas in it. Well, I appreciate you guys coming along for my first ride on a Ryker. This is a 900cc triple, as I said. God almighty, is this thing cool. Hey, she's a lot skinnier. I can navigate through these a lot easier. That thing is beyond cool, Norm.
Yeah.
Oh man, if you get a chance to ride one, I know it don't start with an H, but you need to ride it. That's our Honda rep. His dad trained me in Honda. Now Norm Jr. has taken over for Norm Sr. Super, super cool guy. Alright, thank you guys very, very much. Put some petrol in this old gal and send her up front, I guess, with no body panels. Some things you just gotta wait for. That is so cool. Anyway, thank you guys very much now. Bye-bye.